let's actually start recording this stuff and then explain how terribly I'm going to mess this up, because just learned how to do this today. Just doing a Master Sword run. Woo! Alright. Yes. Of course I want to get the shirt in there. The shirt explains exactly who I am perfectly. Oh! Guess I'm not going to get to record this. Or set a timer. Oh well. I'm just being stupid anyway. I wonder just how much this is picking up, because it's like you can hear my breathing. Hop out of bed. Alright, let's do this. How fast can we get this Master Sword? Why I grabbed the third bush, I don't know. Alright. Yeah, what? You're looking. You see me walking around. You know I'm up to something bad. You're a terrible knight. And you're huge. You're like 5 times as big as me. Alright. You're taking a nap. You and your purple hair. Okay. I feel like if we get a Zelda movie, we need Tommy Chong playing the uncle. Whee! Run around. Nope, I'm good. I like how, as a kid, I was just taught to kill all of these as safely as possible, but then watching speedrunning videos, it's like, just ignore them. These aren't the smartest guards. But neither am I the smartest Link. Okay. I like the blue ones. Smash! Okay. See if I can handle the pressure of lining up walking. Oh, look at that. They didn't even notice. No! You weren't supposed to do that. It's like the cat from the Aristocrats. Aristocats. Goofed. Also never knew the lamp worked this way. Grab one pot. Smash. Boom. Ow! There we go. Look at the boomerang! I just assumed that the lamp would be back at the house waiting for me to get it. And then when you get to the desert palace or whatever, you just get stuck. Because you didn't pick it up, because you were a moron who didn't open all the chests along the way. The game rewards you for not being greedy. You don't need to open all the chests. Leave that for the next guy. Whoa! I went too fast. Like that guard was supposed to be down further. I went through the door too fast. How dare me? Look, walk right through. boomerangs just like hits their spine and like ah. Okay, you don't have to tell me everything. Like, the game should let her know that I've heard that speech before. Because I might have beaten this once or twice. No, it's not how you push. Just shove the case into the wall even further. That's how you make an opening. Ow! Mouse! Whee! Bats! Bats! It's not very ladylike to walk through the sewer, but I think there's higher priorities. Ow! Stupid mouse. Get. It's like, it's never there. Why did it have to go up? I don't like you anymore. Ow! Another one. Okay, so the idea is to pick up this heart later, but I think because I've run into a bunch of mice, and because I don't plan on resetting, I think we're just gonna pick it up now. It'd be different if we were doing real stuff, but what's with these mice? They're getting smarter. Hey, you need the Master Sword to win. So I just pull the Master Sword out, and the game's over. That's how this works. Don't need to do anything else. At least for the sake of this video, that's how that works. Boom! Yay! Oh, you didn't even notice. Just taking a break. And you're gonna notice, but you're moving a little slow. And hit you in the nose with the boomerang. I don't think that's my reaction if I get hit in the face by a boomerang. I'm probably A, retaliating, or B, holding my nose and just like, really? This kid threw a boomerang at my face? I'm assuming, I have no clue. I don't understand the Zelda timeline stuff. Is Link a kid? Is he... I don't know. It's so hard to keep up with that. And how this works on a statue, I have no clue. Uh-oh. Okay, jump. Whee! Oh, okay. Didn't actually have to move to the left. Okay, there we go. Boom. That worked. Alright, because we're not doing a full run, let's not worry about the rupees. Don't need no monies. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Just need y'all out of the way. Don't know how to do the skip. Ah, why did I throw that? Alright, get both of those. Boom, got you. Skipping more chests. Okay, grab the top one. Keep keep going. Gotta admire you, Link. All day, walking up these stairs, going through all this thing, doing these puzzles. Realistically, how were you supposed to know there was a key in one of those pots? Ow! I guess I could have just avoided it. It'll be alright. I'll pick that heart back up here. Doing yet another skip that I'm capable of doing, but I'd much rather just not die. I hate you. Why would you do that? Where are you at? Okay. That's gonna be really long. I like how getting out of here is gonna be fun. Okay, that wasn't bad. I predicted the fairies pretty well. Anti-fairies. Bow! It's the weirdest looking bow. Uh-oh. Boom. Ow! Alright. Right. Left. Oops. Wrong one. There we go. Still got it. Okay. Alright. See if we can do this. No! Get away! Get away! Get away! Okay. Boom, through the door. Oh, forgot to charge. Ow! Ah, this is gonna stink. Okay. Line this up. No! Okay. Ow! Ah! Didn't line up where I wanted you to. Okay, so even worse. Normally Link's just holding the item up for a little while. But this one, like, needs music in the background as Link's holding it up. Because the pendants are special. They get extra attention. Let's go get some shoes. Shoes. Okay, remember, don't open the wall. It's tempting. It's just so fragile. You can just do. Okay, red boots with the green suit. It's like reverse Christmas. Yeah, Link is literally one of Santa's elves. Ow! You weren't supposed to shoot me. Why would you do that? Oh, I got lucky. That was like last frame. Am I going the right place? Yeah, I'm supposed to get the book. Okay. Just making sure. Ow! Just get away! Okay, now I gotta figure out where I'm making that up at. Book! Don't need bottles. I say I don't need bottles. There's a high likelihood that I die this run because I do not have the experience for this. I will find a way to accidentally die in Death Mountain. They call it that for a reason. I feel like the people who made this game knew what they were labeling these things. They pretty smarts. I want to say the Zelda games have made a little bit of money. I'm not sure. Whoops, almost messed that up. Alright, go, 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 go. Woo! Almost ran into the wall. Reading! Okay, I don't know what you're doing. It's like, oh, wow, I just hit the mic. Okay. Ow! Okay, this is really gonna hurt. I'm messing up so much. I'll get it together. Really don't want to hear any beeping. I did just... You were supposed to do the thing. Oh, come on. Okay, gotta be careful here, because I have taken more hits than I should have. Oh, great, now there's beeping. And there's gonna be beeping for a while, too, because fortunately... See, I can't even, like, boost through here, because if I do... Alright, I guess I can go now. Alright, good news is, as long as I make it through this hallway, I don't have to deal with the beeping. Just make it inside here. Don't get hit by dum-dum. At least the beeping's over. Gonna grab some more pots after this. Do 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 do. I think that's the only one. No! Shoot! Why are you like this? What did I ever do to you? This is such a terrible run. I'm glad I'm not taking this seriously. Whoop! The tile's flying. Alright. For the sake of making this simple, we're gonna kill this. Normally don't. What the? Light the lamps. Okay. Grab the arrows. And then go to the door. Okay. Oh. Arrgh. My fellow soldiers will tell you I'm a terrible shot. Sure. Whatever you say. One of you is bound to get hit. Ah. Ah! Don't do it, kid. Don't give up. There we go. We got one of them. Somehow managed not to die to that. Oof. Oh yeah. Ah. That could have been bad. I was getting a little greedy. No! There we go. Got it. Heart. And the blue one. One more to go. Okay, I think it was supposed to be here. Oh! Obviously it wasn't, but at least it looked like I knew what I was doing. Uh-oh. Oh no, this bush is in my way. Oh, Boss, the kid got away. There was this bush between me and him, and there was nothing I could do about it. We threw bombs over the edge, whole mess. They're all coming after me. Even the fairy. Even the fairy wanted to get me. I think I'm more scared of the fairy than the knights. And whatever those fish are. Alright, now for the nice old man that I just literally went the opposite way for no reason. Oh, you lost your lamp, so you've just been sitting here? Why haven't the bats come and ate you? Really? There's a hole in the ground? I did not see that. I should fall in the hole just to make you fall in. Next time I will push you in the hole if you start talking to me again. Yeah, I should. Okay. Now for my little friends here. Ah! Rocks! Okay. Can I get up here without getting hit? Nope. Probably not. Would you stop? Ah! Okay. Okay, where are these things coming from? Because this is the top of the mountain. Where are those rocks coming from? And why didn't I dash? I don't know. Bunny Link! Okay. Like I said, I will find a way to die up here somehow. We'll see. Nope. Does not do anything to you. Okay. Now for one of the hard parts. Ah! Survived! Okay. It's not over. Little worm dudes. No! Just don't kill me. Never did anything to you. Okay. Fire. Alright, don't get to show off. Okay. No! What the heck? Ah, that's my fault. Don't like this. Alright, just don't do anything stupid. Maybe we can get through this. That requires not doing anything stupid, which is out of character. Oh, no, 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 get away. Alright, at least I don't have to do the bomb skip. That would be pretty dangerous at this point. Come on, let's get this first trap. That's the big worm, dude. Ah! Oh! Got there. Still alive. Alright, you're coming. Now you're going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Woof! Game hacks. Yeah! Got there. Woo! Didn't fall. Now watch me dash off. Because I was being stupid. Can't be that bad. Boom! That had to hurt. I mean, I don't know how that fall even makes sense. I mean, that was at least like 12 to 15 times Link's body length. That was hard to say. And then I just fall in a hole and appear back at the door. Okay, there we go. Stopped a little early, but at least I didn't fall again. Yeah, I don't think you do that when you jump off a ledge like that. I don't think it works that way. It can go on record that I am not a doctor. However, I feel confident in saying that you don't come away without injuries doing something like that. Okay. Dedication to the channel. Get to chase the squirrel. And this would be the end of a run. Woo! Okay. Alright, now they're glowy. And the sword. Shing! Okay, I'm holding this sword up and somebody's talking to me. Would you stop? I want to play with the sword. Okay, that's it.